taking the puts. I got a nice tight stop on these things. I'm taking them a little bit further out of the money. So
Order filled.
pay myself a little bit. Even being a little out of the money, I'm up a few bucks right there. So I'm paying myself a little. I'm going to have to see it get through 41.57 before I convince the bulls have any hope of doing anything here.
Order filled.
There we go. That's what I'd like to see. I took off that last short. I'm long on that dip right there. They pulled back nice, very nice. I got it. Now, if we can get this, we're going to close green. If we can actually see the bulls come in and buy some shit, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Hell yeah, let's go. Today's going to be a nice payday. If we can break up here, I think we're going to get a nice, just long run here. Hopefully, I can start working combos over 59. Come on, bulls, don't disappoint. Right? You're good for at least 85. Nobody needs to get scared. 75 is nothing more than a popcorn fart. Let's go. 85 it is. Come on.
Order filled.
I just got to take a little bit of profits. I don't like that price action. I think we're going to rip, but I'm going to add if, you know, on a good setup. So I just took some profits.
Yeah.
We need to get over this 41.60 though, get through that black magic. Let's go.
Order filled.
Paid myself a little bit there. So got filled just into the black magic now that we've reclaimed it. I know we struggled into the 200. I took profits there. And, you know, this one here, I would like for it to be cash settle. I mean, that's what this one's for. I got a nice day on. I'm just looking for cash settle this one. I'm done micromanaging. You know, I've been taking profits here and paying myself. And then this is a percentage of my day that I'm willing to just leave on the table all day. I'm not going to micromanage it. I'm not going to keep paying myself. I'm just going to leave it on the table all day. I may not completely cash settle it, but if we're up around 41.90 going into the close, then I'll leave it for cash settle. Well, I'm not taking any more trades. You know, I got long down here. It's in a good position now. It's up pretty big. On that move right there, it was up 400% almost, or 300% or something like that. You know, tempting from 4 to 16 bucks. Didn't sell a thing.